Hi everyone, trust you are good. I'm still solving the 2025 GCE technical drawing examination question. I have done this first one, question 1, in my previous video. You can take a look at that. This question 1A. Then question 1B, I've done this some time ago, like a year ago, to how to construct a regular heptagon in a circle of diameter 80 is the same question. The same question was repeated, so I did that. So you can take a look at that on my playlist on early on educational consult. Just go to construction of polygons. You are going to see this, how to construct heptagon using circle diameter. So we are focusing on this question 2 today in today's video. The question says figure 2 shows the elevation and incomplete plan of a truncated right square pyramid. So this is the truncated right square pyramid. The plan is not complete, so we are asked here that we should draw the full size, the given elevation. That is, we have to produce this figure using the full size that is according to the dimension we have here. Then B, yes, is complete plan. Then we draw the surface development with RR as the seam. That is this RR here, we use that as the seam. So first of all, we quickly draw the given view. So let's do that now. We draw the given view now. So I set my board this way with the T-square. So I'm going to be, okay, let me move it up a little. Okay, so I'm going to be using this now as my baseline. Okay, then the next thing, I will draw a perpendicular this way. All right, so the question, if you look at the question says that it is a truncated right square pyramid. That is, looking at this plan now, it's a truncated right square pyramid. So if that is the case, it means that we are going to be drawing this side of the square at an inclined angle of 45 degrees, because it is what, a right square pyramid. So at an angle 45 degrees. So I will bring in my 45 degree set square. Now I'm going to place it this way for this side here. So I will draw with 45 degree side, then come to this other side. Draw this way. Okay, now if you look at, we are given this side to be 45. So all I'm going to do is that this is 45 millimeter, not degree. The degree is this side. Okay, so I will use take 45, that is 4.5 centimeter this way. Then I'll come needle on this point here, have this for both sides this way. Okay, then needle on this point here, have this, then at this point here have this. So you can see they both intersect there. Then the next thing I'm going to do now, I will draw my point there. I will draw the right square. I will highlight it immediately. Okay, okay, so this is the square. So the next thing we are going to do, from each side of the square, I'll produce a vertical or perpendicular line. Okay, produce a perpendicular line up that way. Then at this other side as well, I'll produce a perpendicular Okay, that way. Then I'll take the base for the elevation. All right, so this way. All right, now so we have this side here, you can see this side here to be 35, and from the base to the apex as 60. So I'll quickly take that now. I will take 35, this is 35, and then we have 60, 6 to 0 here. Okay, so what I will do next, I will just from this side now produce this, then move it up to the apex. I have this as well. Okay, now so the next thing I will do, from the apex join to the base. Okay, then we do for this other side as well, join to the base like that. Now let's take a look at it now. There is an angle here, angle 30 degree, so I'm going to be bringing in my 60 by 30 degree set square now. Okay, this angle here, so from the center here, okay, you have to be careful so that you don't make mistake. The line, this plane TT, okay, it's passing through the center, so do not be tempted to pull the set square this way to draw from here. It will not be touching the center. I hope you can see. So just move it to the center this way. Okay, the 30 degree. Let me produce this line further so I can. So just move it to this 30. Okay, then produce this. Okay, so now you can see this angle here, this angle is 30. Now this angle here is also 30. Okay, that is, this angle here is also 30. By the time you move the set square to this part here, and it's this, so it's going to be giving us 30. If I draw a horizontal line from this part now, so this angle here is 30, while this other side also is 30. I hope that is clear. All right, now so the next thing we'll do now, let us highlight the elevation. Okay, so we have this now with this as our R, and the other R here, this is the plane T and T. Okay, so we have the given view drawn now to specification. So we have answered question A. Now let's quickly go to question B, complete plan. How do we draw the complete plan? Okay, it's a very simple thing to do. Then from here, just draw the axis here, connect this together that way. Now the next thing we are going to be doing now is this. So let me label the part here. So let's call this 1. If I give this 1, I call this 2. Okay, you can use anything. You can use alphabet letter if you wish. So I give this 3. You can use A, B, C, D. Then I give this 4. Okay, I hope you can see that now. All right, so the next thing I'm going to do now, from this point here, okay, I'm going to be drawing a line down. Produce a line down. Produce Okay, so you can see this line coming down where it touches this part. Now let me call it 1 prime. Okay, and here also I call it 1 prime. Okay, all right. So the next thing I'm going to do now, you can see this line here from this center where it touches this side. Okay, I'll produce the line down. Okay, I'll produce the line down from this part. Produce the line down, then I'll bring in my compass now, needle at the center, needle at this center. Okay, stretch to where this vertical line touches this horizontal line. Okay, then I'm going to draw a semicircle this way. Okay, take note of this part and then this part. I hope that is clear. Or alternatively you can just pick here. Okay, just pick this length here. Okay, this length here, come here and transfer here. You can see it's the same length, up and down. Okay, if you don't want to do that. Okay, now the next thing I will do, take note of this part here, then drop the line where it touches the truncated part. Okay, where it touches the plane. Produce the line as well. Okay, take note of this part here. Okay, so this, because this is my 1 prime, so this become my 2 prime. Here is the 3 prime and here is the 4 prime. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect the points together. Connect 1 prime to 2 prime, then to 4 prime, then 3 prime to 4 prime. So all I just need to do is now is to alight. Let me just alight it. Okay, all right. So the next thing I will do now is just to hash it. I'm going to hash it now. Okay, you should hash it and hash at 45 degree. So keep. So with this we complete the plan. So this is the complete plan now. So the next thing now is to draw the surface development with RR as the seam. What that means now is that this is where we are considering this RR as the seam. So what we are going to be doing here now is to get the true length. We get the true length now. So if I give this as O, okay, so on this line, you see this line that I've drawn. Okay, this line, just pick a point. Okay, if I want it to be here, so I can call this is the hole now. So what I'm going to do now is this. I'm going to transfer this side now to this part, I will transfer it there. Excuse me. So just go that way. All right, so I can just move this. All right, so this will represent the true length, this true length now. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I will needle, you know, this length now is equal to that. Okay, you can see that now. So I will needle on this part now, stretch to this part, then produce an arc that will go like that. that will go like that. Hope you can see that. Okay, so thin. So the next thing I will do now, I will call this, let's give this 1. This is my 1, so I will pick 1 to 2. Of course all the sizes are equal, so just pick 1 to 2 or 2 to 4, anyone, 1 to 4, anyone of your choice. Then come to this part now from 1, so just spread out like that. So this is 1. Okay, this is 2, this is 3, and then this is okay, this is 4. That of this 1 2 3 4. I hope that is clear. So the next thing I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect to this place. So let me remove this SS line here so it won't confuse us. Okay, so from these two now, I will join. Then from 3, join. From 4, join. Then from 1 to 0, we join. Okay, I hope this is clear now. All right, so the next thing we are going to be doing here now, we take it gradually. Okay, now you know, previously I said this is 1, so this is my 1 prime. Okay, now this is 2 and 4 prime, 2 prime and 4 prime, so it goes up like that. So let's call this side 2 prime comma 4 prime, because they are both on the same line. Then this is 3, so this is 3 prime, 3 prime, so that completes. So we are 1 2 3 and then 4. Now what we are going to be doing now, you need to pay attention here. Okay, so I will start from needle on point 0, stretch to 1 prime, stretch to 1 prime. So we need to get 1 prime here. So I will take it to this 0 here. I'm drawing the development now. So this becomes my 1 prime. Then do for the other side, the other 1. You can see where you have 1 there, so you have also 1 prime here. Then it remains 2 prime and 4 prime, this one now. So just take this to the side of the pyramid. Okay, so this, okay, this line, you can use either this side or this side. So you can see where this line touches this part here is the same thing with this side. I hope you can see that now. So go to 0 to 2, take 2 prime, this is 2 prime, then go to 4, not 3, go to 4, this 4, then we take 4 prime. Okay, then it remains 3, then this is 3, so needle on 0, stretch to 3 prime. Okay, then come here 0, then you have 3 prime. Okay, I hope that is clear. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to connect those points together, not with curve. Use your ruler to connect. Okay, I will highlight it later, that is sticking it out later. This one is not a straight line. Then connect this. Okay, then this part as well, connect this 1 to 2, connect this 2 to 3, connect 3 to 4, then connect 4 to 1. Okay, I hope you see this now. So let me just highlight it, then we are done with it. I will highlight it now. So I will highlight, not everything, so I will highlight this part now. And this. All right, so this becomes my development. This is my development. So with this we complete the surface development as we are told to do, the surface development with RR as the seam. as you can see here. So this is the complete plan. Oh, sorry, the complete plan is not complete yet, so I'm supposed to tick out all of these line. I'm supposed to tick them out, so I will tick this out now. Okay, I just discovered that now. I will tick this like this way, and this way. So this is our complete this is the complete plan. So this is the complete plan, while this is the development. So thank you very much for staying tuned. See you in my next video.